Hi, I'm Dr. Kathren McCarty. I'm a podiatric surgeon here at Ortho SA. I've been a podiatrist for over 15 years in the San Antonio Schertz area. As a podiatrist, I see patients of all ages. I have kids, I have my athletes, I have adult patients. Some patients come in with issues they've had all their life, and we're just taking care of their pain and treating their pain. Sometimes they need surgery, sometimes they don't. I have people that come in with traumatic injuries that we take care of and get them back on the court. Especially, I have a sports background, so I'm really concerned with getting my athletes back to play as soon as they possibly can. And as a podiatrist, we see all ailments and issues from below the knee, from the little toe to the shin, and take care of all different ages and types of patients.